Primos Hook Hunter series produces incredible pitches and unique tones that even the wisest old Tom can't resist. The 2-inch hooks with its ghost cut gives subtle, effortless yelps, great keys and purrs. Curved hooks with its crew cut gives unique highs and low tones, cuts easier than glass, with effective rasp. Long hooks with its uppercut is extremely loud with great rasp. Sharp hooks with its spike cut gives very unique yelps. It's the most universal of the hook hunter calls.
Primos Hunting. Speak the language.
This is the Crooked Spur Series combo pack from FOXPRO. In it there's the V-cut, the bat wing, and the double. So I'm going to run through a couple of these for you. This is the bat wing. This is the V-cut. And this is the double. This is the Crooked Spur Series combo pack from FOXPRO.
This is our combo pack, our three favorite mouth calls. The long spur, the true hype, and the react all come with reed separators. Everything you need there to be a complete turkey hunter. Our long spur, part of the combo pack, is a 3-reed bat wing cut. Comes with your reed separators. This doesn't have quite as much front end, but it's very easy to cut and give you a nice raspy yelp. Our true hype in the combo pack is kind of a modified back wing cut with the sides cut back a little bit deeper than normal. Comes with your reed separators. This is going to give you a little bit more front end. Our react call in the combo pack also comes with your reed separators. This is an offset cutter type call, 3-reed, 3/1000 latex. This is going to be a little bit meatier, and you can really jump on this call and get more of a deep cut out of it. Our mouth calls all come with these reed separators, and they're a great tool and they really help to lengthen the life of your call. They'll keep the reeds from welding together, so after each hunt, simply insert them in between the reeds and put them away for storage, and when you're ready to go hunting, Take them out and you should be ready to go.
This one here is our Cayenne. It has no cut, it's 2 reeds. This is a great call to learn the basic yelp on. It doesn't have any rasp at all, so it's really going to help you with getting that clear front end of your yelp. What you want to do is you want to take the call, put it into the roof of your mouth with the strut commander side up. But what we're going to work on first is the clear front end of a yelp. And then once you kind of get that, then you can pick any one of our other calls and you can get the raspy end on the back end. And the best way that I heard it was hiss like a cat. What you'll do is you'll work on that front end, get that hiss down, and drop your jaw just a little bit, and you'll kind of hear that break. Great call to learn on. Like I said, that's going to produce your basic yelp on the front end. Use that, get that down, and then move to one of the other calls that has a cut in it so you can work on the back end.
Hey guys, Ryan Almarca here from Deer the Rear Chronicles on Facebook. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about mouth calls and what to do with them and how to keep them at hand. So in years past, I have a mouth call. It's in every once in a while. I'll take it out if I'm walking, sitting down, whatever. And I'll put it in my pockets, but I won't be paying attention. And I'll go buried to the bottom, and it'll be stuck in there with some old turkey feathers, dirt, sticks, you name it. Then you go put it back in your mouth. All these things are now in your mouth. So I always was trying to figure out, do I put my front pocket anywhere to make sure it, didn't get all full of dirt and everything else. Hunter Specialties came out with a new hat clip. It's called the Diaphragm call clip, and it works really neat, guys. It's just what it does is it's just a half moon shape, just like your call, slides right in there, and then that call, the clip goes right on the side of your hat. It's always at hand. It's going to stay clean, so it's not going to get full of dirt or anything else. They come in a 2-pack. They're very inexpensive, so you can put one on each side. Just so happens my 2 favorite calls are different colors, so I can tell them apart really easily as well. But clip them on wherever you want on your hat. It's out of the way. They're going to stay clean, and all you got to do is slide them out and put them in your mouth, and you're ready to rock and roll. Try them out, guys. I think you'll like them. Good luck this year.